Okay, so my name is Miftah. I'm Counselor Education from Euro Management Indonesia. Also, this is Rahayu.
Yes.
She is a consultant education too from Euro Management Indonesia.
Yes.
We are Euro Management Indonesia is a pioneering international consultant. First since 2003, based in Jakarta, Menteng. So we are consult for almost 29 countries, and Euro Management Indonesia is the biggest education consultant in Indonesia. We provide fully service for all students who have registered to us. Especially in the first, we are sent the student to Germany and France, but we expand to other countries. Now we are ready to send the student for all around the world, and we already have sent over 2,000 students from Indonesia. Okay, I think recruitment in international student, it's not about get accepted LOA from university, but how we can create a future from our country, especially Indonesia, to make the bright future for them. And after he graduate, it makes our happy for everything, the achievement. So yeah, once again, that is just not all about how can we successfully to send them to another countries, but it's all about how can they create after they graduate from there. Okay,
it's
basically the reward
Yes.
is when they are got LOE from
got
the
LOE.
university.
I
That's
think,
the first thing.
that's what we always captivated, like when the student get entered to the university, get the LOA, get the acceptance, and I think that's the most grateful in our life journey.
Yeah.
Okay.
Then 24. It's collaborative. That is the one word that I want to emphasize to you. This is a great event. They manage this event with great and they very so make this important to all the education consultant in Indonesia. And collaborative means they connect every parties from each side, from educator side and consultant side. So it's really helpful for a student who want to study abroad.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, I couldn't be more agree with Miftah, because collaborative means we're collaborating in many ways. I mean, like in this event, one-on-one meeting and a discussion panel and then presentation. I mean, that's the whole thing. It's totally great for us. It's a great opportunity for us to reach out the university that we want to ask more the details, the admission requirement and everything. So thank you NET24 for this opportunity.
Yes,
where we had a great opportunity here.
A lot of information.
Yes,
we have
bunch of information. Okay.